So what would you do if you were just at a random day here at the house and 2 CyberTrucks showed up at your house? And an Amazon delivery. One of them is an all-wheel drive and the other one happens to be a CyberBeast. And guess what? I have the keys to both of them. I'm wrapping both. This one is going to be a brushed black aluminum look. That's going to be next week. This one today is going to be a matte black. I'm going to start this one today. And I have permission from both of them to drive them. But you know what? I want to see what the difference really is between the 2 trucks. All-wheel drive, a lot of people have seen this. I've been in an all-wheel drive a lot, but is there any differences to the CyberBeast besides the logo that you can barely see? It's etched in there, just like the Foundation series, but it's hard to see. Is there any differences? I'm gonna open both of them up and we're gonna take a look. So besides personal touches, let's take a look. Well, they all come with the floor mats, the Alcantara on the charging ports. This one they have a leather. This is the all-wheel drive one. This has the leather up on top here. This is a brand new car, so he still has this plastic on there. On the glass, the screen back here, Alcantara all around. And let's check out the CyberBeast. Up front here, the same floor mats. I'm gonna have to move these, those are slippery. Same rivet in all of them. Let's sit down. This has an Alcantara dash. So I think the CyberBeast has an Alcantara dash up front here versus the leather perforated dash over on the other one. This is actually really nice. You have Alcantara here, which feels softer. I think there's more plush Alcantara here. I'll have to try the other one, but let's go see. It's about the same. It's about the same. Let's see it in the UI here. Let's see, dynamics, beast mode. Oh, that's awesome. He's driving it in beast mode. You can do custom off-road. So what does beast mode do? Focus handling, so it's a stiffer handling, preferred lower ride. Like why do they even offer a comfort mode and chill mode? And if you're buying a CyberBeast, I don't know. But you can go to custom and go to beast mode and relax and do the higher suspension if you want to. But I mean, why wouldn't you just drive it in beast mode? He gave me permission to launch it. And he's at 210 miles, which is 70% battery. I think it's gonna launch pretty good. We'll have to test that out. And I don't see any difference. So really the difference is gonna be power. And there's a lot of power and a lot of torque. So let's get a baseline with that one first. It has a little less in the battery, but let's get a baseline of how that feels. And then let's jump in this one. All right, so let's go take the all-wheel drive out first. And I put the steering in focus mode, so it's nice and stiff because we are gonna launch it. And the dynamics is in custom, so it's standard, so it's fast. I think it's 600 horsepower. We're gonna feel what that feels like, or I'm gonna feel what that feels like, and I'm gonna give you my reaction to it. I'm sure it's gonna be fast, but we're here to see the difference between the 2 vehicles. Do you need the CyberBeast? I mean, we all want the CyberBeast, but do you need the CyberBeast? And I'm not even sure you can actually launch in an all-wheel drive. I'm sure you can launch in the CyberBeast. I'm sure there's a launch mode, but we're gonna try it out and see if there is a possibility of doing that. I'm gonna find a good road to go on where there's no traffic, and I'll see you guys there. All right, here's a good spot to launch the car. I'm gonna come to a complete stop, mash the brake, and you can't do a launch mode. It's telling me, so we're just going to mash the throttle. Ready? Okay, that's pretty good for a 7,000 pound vehicle. That's pretty good at 50% battery too, so we're 20% less. So yes, there is less power, but it still picked up pretty good. I think this is 4.1 seconds 0 to 60 when it's fully charged and everything. So this was not too bad. Not too bad. All you need, really. All you need. But all you want is what's next. All right. Let's get in the Beast. Oh my gosh, it's hot in here. All right, so in the Beast, honestly, you can't tell the difference at all. Except for the Alcantara right in front of me. There's really no difference just normally driving this. But I am in Beast mode, and we're going to launch this thing eventually once I get to the same exact spot. But really just normal driving, I don't see the difference. Thinking about resale value, I'm sure there's going to be a lot less CyberBeasts sold, so the values of these would stay up there more than what the all-wheel drive would. But is it $20,000 more than the other one? I don't know. For every one of these sold, there's going to be 4 all-wheel drives. So yeah, actually I think the better deal is the CyberBeast, if that trend stays the same. If this launch is amazing. Let's go see. So launch mode is just smash the brake, smash the gas, or accelerator, sorry. Oh, it does lower itself too. All right, ready? Holy sh! This thing is a beast. No pun intended, Jesus. That thing just takes off. I did not expect this from this tank. This thing just goes. Holy crap. This thing just picked up. It felt like the front wheels came off the ground. This is 7,000 pounds or 7,300 pounds, but the CyberBeast, and it took off like that. That is mind blown. Not like the Plaid Model S. Totally different. The Plaid Model S is like painful. This is just, it's just in a big inertia jump. It's crazy. Okay, it might be worth the 20 grand. It definitely might be worth the 20 grand. So let me try to show you the launch screen here. We're gonna get to a spot. No cars coming. Mash the gas. And, oh my God. Holy, that is insane. The tires squeal because they're just grabbing for traction, and it's just, it is a beast. It is definitely a beast. And yes, I did get permission from both owners of this before I did that. Yes, there's a lot of black CyberTrucks, but this is matte black, deep matte black from 3M. So this is going to be a more sinister Cybertruck than most. So I wanted to show you the CyberBeast. And at this angle, you can kind of see it. Now, we're going to replace that. Well, not replace that. That's smooth. But what I've got here are 2 CyberBeast logos. And I made them bigger. So I took this offline, and I've cut my own CyberBeast logos here. And I'm not sure which one we're going to use yet. I kind of like the big one, but he's more of a subtle person, and he doesn't want this gigantic logo like all across the back of it and everything. So we're going to put this underneath the vinyl, just like the foundation here. And again, we went with just the foundation and not the series, because you don't really see the series underneath there because it's so small. So we're just going to do the foundation. I've done it in the last 2, and it looks a lot better. Which one's too big? You know what? I think the smaller one is perfect. What do you guys think? Well, it's already going to be on before you say anything, but I think that one is too big. This one is perfect.
Dude, it looks awesome. It looks so good.
What do you think?
I love it.
It looks really good.
It looks great.
Here's the key, by the way.
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much.
My neighbor
Wow.
came out and said, look at over here, look at the bat cave you got going on over
Oh,
there.
he did? Okay, we got the Batman look down, girls.
Yay.
You guys think it's cool?
It does
Yeah.
look like
I love it.
Batman.
Now the only thing left to do is dress up like Batman. And then play the music.
Oh, it looks so good.
Yeah,
Wow.
this will stop the rock chips from happening.
Yeah. So this has that PPF
Yeah.
on top of it.
This is PVF on the front, here
Sweet.
and here. That's really all you need it for, because everything else is on the sides.
Yeah. Wow, that looks nice.
That's so cool.
But yeah.
He's got a new place.
Yeah, I'm starting to shop.
Yeah.
Hopefully I get it on the 1st.
Oh, wow.
It's 5 minutes from here, which is great.
That's
yeah.
great.
Look at the
so-
flame.
That's gonna be so cool. Oh yeah, that looks great.
Is-
You see it, girls?
Hidden just enough.
Yeah, that looks good. Step back, Finley.
So it's a little bit bigger than the stock one.
Yeah,
but I think it's
appropriate.
perfect size.
Yeah, yeah, that looks good. It matches the trim really good.
Yeah.
It's like just different enough. So
the satin black has a little bit of a sheen to it where you see the difference. Well, this is right in between the satin black.
yeah, it's like just different enough.
Yeah.
But it's not like
Yeah.
a real contrast.
It doesn't blend in too much.
Yeah.
And I ceramic coated the plastic trim too.
Oh, you did? Awesome. So what do I do about washing it?
Just wash it normal.
Just spray it?
Yeah.
Scrub it?
Just
at
don't
all?
take a pressure washer and go like 6 inches from it.
Okay.
Because you can go through it and then,
Yeah.
oh, there's the foundation series.
Oh yeah, look at that, girls. Oh, it feels nice. So cool.
Yeah, you just wash it like normal. You can go through a touchless car wash. If you go through a brush car wash, I wouldn't. I never do. I wash by hand, but you can still. I just wouldn't. Those high pressure from underneath is not a good idea.
Okay.
And those brushes that spin are going to scratch it.
Yeah.
But parking it outside, the PPF will self-heal and so will the vinyl.
Sweet.
So,
So parking it outside is good.
oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the time.
Well, under your tree at work, I don't know.
I know, yeah.
But
birds
the ceramic will help that. It'll help
Yeah.
it wash it.
Yeah.
When it rains hard, it'll help wash that off.
It just got filthy with the fingerprints.
Oh, the fingerprints are ridiculous. And
Like-
there was all that stuff on the hood from
Yeah.
your work.
Yeah.
You don't see it.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it looks great now.
Yeah, and then
So-
the protection too.
Yeah, it
is
looks
good
really
on
good.
there.
The ceramic is fresh, so you're gonna get some.
Yeah.
That's
I'm just
hot.
feeling a different right. Yeah, this is hot for
Yeah.
sure. Well, man, thanks again. Let me know if I can do anything to help recommend you at all.
Just tell
if I've
people.
already, if I haven't already.
Yeah,
So,
just tell people.
Yeah.
cool. Great. What do you think, girls?
Yeah, it's awesome. I like so cool. I like
That
the
looks really
black
cool.
better than that.
Yeah.
Then the plain one, the refrigerator over there.
I mean, I like the stainless steel, but this looks way cooler.
Oh yeah,
Oh, it looks way cooler. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks so awesome.
looks like Batman.
It
Yeah.
really does.
That matte black looks really, really good on there. What do you guys think? Leave it down below.